Hi, my name is Steve Byrne and I am one of two owners of the Poolwerx here in East Fremantle. We are based at 258 Canyon Highway and on the corner of Westbury Crescent in Bicton. The team and I pride ourselves on offering excellent service and product knowledge. Our retail manager Cassie will welcome you with a big smile and cheerful hello. I have been in this area myself servicing pools since 2005. Pop in and see us for a free water test, and if you have any concerns about your swimming pool or the health of your water, please come and see us and we will give you the right advice to get you up and running. Here at Poolwerx in East Fremantle, we understand that life is busy and you can't always get out to your pool shop to get some advice. So please give us a call on our local number and we will arrange to get one of our mini mobile vans out to site to give your pool a good service or a clean prior to the season and to look at any equipment issues that you may have, and hopefully we can give you the advice to get those issues sorted out.